Good evening, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back with the additional of today's newspaper on Thursday. Yes, it's Thursday, December the 5th, 2024. We have here 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. We have 2 jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star, and the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. And these puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve this evening. Not all. Why not? Well, it's too much for me. Time consuming. And I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. And besides, I've already solved 3 regular puzzles this afternoon. Yeah, otherwise it will be too much for me. A lot of puzzles for a day. So the first one I will do is the 3 Stars Sudoku number 9704. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 27 printed digits. Usually the 3 stars puzzle has 25. This one has 27. Should be a 1 star. For 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. Well, it's indicated by the publisher with the 3 stars. For 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright. Question is this a 1 star or 3 stars puzzle? We don't know. We'll see. So let's get started. Okay. Let me see which number I can pick. 5 in this row. 5 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this column. No 5 there. 5 should be here. 5 in the last column. 5 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in the second row. No 5 there. 5 should be there. In this column, the middle column, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing number in the middle column is the number 5. We have a 5 in this big square, so no 5 in these 3 boxes. So the 5 could be here, here, or there. We have a 5 in the third row, no 5 there. 5 in the second row, no 5 there. The only place left for 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so the row below. The only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there, 5 should be here. And all the 5s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 5. 3, 3, 3, 3. 3, 3, yes. In this big square, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. In this big square, one of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in the second column, so no 3 in these 3 boxes. We have 3 in this row, second row, no 3 in these 2 boxes. So the 3 in this big square could be here, could be there. 3 in one of those 2 boxes in the first column, 3 in the second column, so the third column. Only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this row, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 4, 4, okay. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in this row, second row, no 3 in these 3 boxes. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 in this big square should be there. And I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 3. We have a 3 in the third row, so no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in the last column, 3 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 3. Okay, 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only place left for 8 should be there. Then, let me see. We have a 1 in this column. 1 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 1 should be there. Still need a 9 here. Then, let me see. Need an 8 here. Need an 8 there. 8, 8. In this big, oh, no. Wait. 8. Yeah. In this big square, we have 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have an 8 in this column, so no 8 in these two boxes. So the 8 in this big square could be here, could be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have an 8 in the first column, so no 8 in this box. We have an 8 in one of those two boxes in the second row. No 8 in these two boxes. So the 8 in this big square could be here, could be there. 8 in this column, 8 in one of those two boxes in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 in these two boxes. We have 8 in this column, no 8 in those two boxes. So one box left with 8 in this big square should be there. And I've marked those two boxes earlier with 8. We have 8 in this column, so no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the row below, so last row, the only two places left with 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the middle column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8. 8, 8. Cannot continue with 8 now. Need to wait. Need a 9 here. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in the first row. No 9 in this box. We have a 9 in this column. No 9 in that box. So one box left with a 9 in this big square. Should be there. 9 in this column. 9 in the column next on the last column. The only place left with a 9 should be there. One box left now in the last column for number 1. Let me see. 1 and 7. 2 and 4. 2 and 1. 2 and 1. Okay. How about? Let me think. I need a 9 here. Need a 9 there. And 7. Okay. In this big square, we need a 7. We have a 7 in the first column, so no 7 in these two boxes. We have a 7 in the last row, no 7 in that box. So one box left for the 7 in this big square. Should be there. 7 in the first column, 7 in the second column, so the third column, the only place left is 7. Should be there. 7. We have a pair in this big square. We have a 7 and a 9 in this row, 7 and a 9 in the second row. So in the third row, the only two places left for 7 and 9 goes in these two boxes as a pair. 7, 9, 7, 9. So what are the other two missing numbers in this third row? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, 4 and an 8. Need a 4 and an 8 here. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Let me continue with 8. 8 in this third row, 8 in the second row. So in the first row, the only two places left with 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 8. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Come on. How about 1 in this row, 1 in the last row, so the row between. The only place left for the 1 should be there. 2 and 6. 2 and 6. Come on, 2 and 6. 2 and 6. These two missing numbers in the third column. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and a 6, 1 and a 6. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, the 1 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square. For numbers, 1 is missing and a 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. Then 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers, the 1 is missing. And the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. We have a 1 in the first row. No 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 box left now in the first row for number 1. The 2 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3. The 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and 6, 4 and 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1. The 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and the 6, 2 and the 6. We have a 6 in the second column. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 box left now in the last row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. The 6 is missing. 4 and the 6. We have a 6 now in the middle column. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 1 box left in the first column for number 1. The 2 is missing. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place left for the 2 should be there. Then 2 and 4. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 4 and 9, 4 and 9. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 9 goes there. 2 missing numbers in the middle row for numbers 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and 7, 4 and 7. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. The other pair in this big square are the numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5, 6 is missing. The 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 6 in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be here. 9 goes there. 9 and the 7. We have a 9 in this column. No 9 there. 9 should be here. 7 goes there. 7 and the 4. We have a 7 now in this column. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Then let me see 2 missing numbers in the middle column for numbers 1. The 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6, the 7 is missing. 2 and 7, 2 and 7. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers 1. The 2 is missing. The 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and 4, 2 and 4. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 4 and 9, 4 and 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 12 minutes. Well, that's a quick one. Told you. Cannot be 3, not a 2, not a 1. Should be a 0 stars and faster than 14, 13 minutes. So I'm well pleased with time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.